vigilant scavenger of the savannah, keeps a watchful eye on the vast expanse. In this poignant moment, a gravid grazer, a symbol of new life in the untamed wilderness, feeds with grace. Not far away, a silent and deadly stalker lurks. The swift predator, nature's embodiment of sleek precision and speed. Meanwhile, a silent opportunist stealthily begins its prowl through the wild's intricate chessboard. As the sleek predator draws closer, the graceful grazer's senses sharpen, every fibre attuned to the encroaching peril. A symphony of survival begins as the savannah transforms into a whirlwind of motion, with a swift predator in relentless pursuit. In a breathless burst of speed, the graceful grazer becomes a fleeting spectre, dashing across the grassland with the agile predator in hot pursuit. But in a surprising turn of fate, the opportunistic wanderer becomes an unexpected entrant into the race, closing in on the imperiled prey. In a thrilling climax, the swift predator captures its quarry. In a shocking twist, the resourceful hunter intervenes, symbolizing the relentless dance between life and death in the wilderness. The clever opportunist wrenches a young one from the mother's womb, leaving an indelible mark of the unforgiving laws of the wild.